Hey everyone, in this video we're going to change the cabin air filter on a 2016 Mazda 6. This works on other Mazdas like the CX-5 and the Mazda 3, and it may even work on other previous years, but check that at your own discretion. We're going to start by opening the glove box, and now is a really good time to remove any contents in the glove box because it will be dropping down later on in this repair. Step 1 is to push up on this clip. It is located to the right of the glove box. And next, with two hands, you're going to push in on the glove box here. And the plastic is very flexible, so it's going to unfasten. Since I'm recording, I'm only using one hand, so it's a little more challenging. But you'll see there, it will drop down. And these two pieces are holding it up. And if the glove box falls off, no big deal. There are two clips here. You can just push it back in and it'll clamp on. So if you want to remove the glove box for more space, you can also do that. Here is the filter, and you can pull it out super simple. So just make sure to keep it level in case there is debris. So there's a bunch of debris that we will be replacing, and we will have more circulation when we're running the air conditioner on and everything inside the cabin. Here's the new filter. I ordered it on Amazon, so I will place that in the description. The arrow points down, so make sure on the new filter that the arrow points down as well. That is the direction of the airflow. This new filter also has a much better padding and cushion around that edge there, which I personally like since it has a more secure seal. And to reinstall, just slide straight back in. Push, you see the padding is tucked in, which means we have a good seal. So next we're going to reattach the glove box. Make sure it's fastened. Next we're going to push it up and push in on those two edges, and those plastic pieces will go back in. Again, I have one hand here so you can't see it too well, so I push those in. And lastly, we finish with pushing down on this clip. And we are done. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, leave comments if you have any questions, and have a great evening.